Some really good deals I want to share with you guys today. We're starting out with Amazon, but we're also going to sprinkle in a little bit of Lowe's as well. Everything's going to be linked down below. Some really good deals. You guys are going to like these. First up, we have the Jump Starter Inflator Combo. Goes up to 8-liter gas or 6-liter diesel on that Jump Starter and up to 160 PSI for the inflator by Elcliu. I really like these 2-in-1 guys. It starts out at $69.99, but we have this 50% promo code. Of course, if you click right there, it'll automatically copy the code to your clipboard so you can easily paste it at the checkout on the Amazon page. Supposed to go through the end of July. You guys know codes can be killed at any time for any reason, so we can't really trust that. But I really think everyone needs an inflator in the car. Everyone needs a jump starter in the car. They're not expensive, and it gives you a little bit of peace of mind if something happens on the road or you're away from home, and just makes a stressful situation less stressful. So being able to put that inflator in with the jump starter, you're getting the 2-in-1. Just make sure you keep it charged up, keep it in the trunk, and you'll be ready to go for at least a couple of potential road hazards. The next one is the Compressed Air Duster, electric air duster with the brushless motor by JVS Cam. Really love these guys. Little rechargeable USB-C, you got the little nozzles on there, but it's the closest you're going to get to compressed air without an actual air compressor being hooked up with one of these guys. And perfect for, electronics and everything, clearing things out. Blow the charge port of your cell phone out when it gets all gummed up with stuff. I really like it for cleaning off saws, getting the sawdust off your miter saw or circular saw, whatever you got. Just give it a quick blow and it's all clean, ready to go. So it starts out at $33.98, 44% off. Not sure when it expires, but I did just post that earlier today. And 44%, it's almost half price. I don't know what that is. $20? It's probably about $20, something close to that. But nice, compact, powerful little guy. I have a couple of power inverters. Actually, for this listing, there's a 3,000 watt and a 2,000 watt by Ampeak. These guys have been around for a long time. I mean, probably close to a decade, because I remember when I first started doing this stuff, Ampeak was one of the brands I'd see for inverters, battery chargers, electronics in the automotive space. So 12 volt to 110 volt modified sine wave. We have the 2,000 watt first. You get the big chunky cables to go with it. Starts out at $139.99. Then we also have the 3,000 watts. So that's going to power big stuff. That's a lot of wattage. And that one's $199.99. Now, this promo code here works for either of them. We're going to take 50% off. Supposed to go through the 12th. So either $100 or $70 for these two inverters. 50-piece car detailing brush set, car detailing kit by LV Senlin. Some really nice pieces actually here. First, the drill brushes. If you've never used a drill brush, those are great. Put that in your drill and you can just go to town. I did a video a couple years ago of actually cleaning my toolbox with it, and it really works better. Your elbows and shoulders will thank you for using a drill brush instead of manually scrubbing. You got the wash mitt, a couple of buffing pads there. I really like this little brush here. That's a little finger brush for getting between the slats of the air vents on your car. And the little detail brushes here, little wire brushes. Nice little array of stuff. Starts out at $26.99. We have the 40% promo code. Not sure when it expires. Again, just posted that today, so the code's still good right now. Almost half off. Let's call it $15 between friends. Comes in the handy-dandy case. Got a UV light, black light, mini, USB, rechargeable, ultraviolet LED black light, woods lamp, powerful, fluorescent, by one of my favorite brands, Dark Dawn. That should be the name of a movie. It just sounds amazing. 1,696 reviews, 4.5 out of 5. Championship belt, so you know it's really good. Starts out at $14.98, 50% promo code, 50%. It's going to be $7.50. Supposed to go through the 10th. Things are great for finding bodily fluids. If you go to a hotel and you don't want a good night's sleep, or you don't want someone else to get a good night's sleep, turn this thing on and shine it on like the comforter, because those don't get washed. Hey, did you know that about hotels? The comforters don't get washed. Your sheets get washed. Your sheets get changed. The blanket, the comforter, So this black light will show you all the strangers' bodily fluids that you're sleeping with. Put it on your pillow. You'll love that. Also, I've heard they do something with scorpions. We don't have scorpions here, so I don't know. 128-in-1 precision screwdriver set. Tiny torque screwdriver. Ring doorbell for some reason, because we're keyword stuffing and wanted to come up, I guess. Small magnetic repair toolkit by Wes Dult. Now, this is the same brand when we did that little ratcheting screwdriver video a couple of days ago. That was these guys right here. So I bought that. It was really nice. I was impressed for the price of what it was. I can't imagine, it'd have to be any nicer for any reason. It was heavy duty, it felt durable. A couple people left comments that they've liked theirs and had it for a while. So I feel pretty good about the brand overall. This one starts out at $25.99. Again, 50%. Well, it's a lot of 50% promo codes. We're going to have to add a little title and thumbnail action with 50% off because it's very honest. Half the deals so far have been 50% off. So got the promo code right there. Not sure when that expires. I like that it's up in this roll-up style case, and then as you unfold it, you got the drivers there. You have a million bits, little extension guys down here. The whole thing just looks kind of nice, and you're cutting it in half. So you're only paying $12.99. That sounds worth it. Extension cord with multiple outlets, surge protector. You got a 20-watt power delivery USB-C port, power strip, 12 AC outlets, nice long 10-foot cord by Antang. Love the sidekick. Makes the other outlet actually usable. A lot of things that come straight down and totally obscures the other outlet and is super pain in the ass. So doing that little sidekick action is one of my favorites. Looks like that's a switch on here so we can turn on and off the entire tower of USBs. USB-C there, 3 USB-As there on the front, and it looks like 3 AC outlets on each side of this guy. Starts out at $33.99. Another 50. This was not planned, but this is a good sign. We like the 50% codes. So $17 or so. Going to go through the end of July. Little sidekick surge protector action. Mini chainsaw. 6-inch mini chainsaw by CC. I bought this the last time that it was on sale. Really like it. You got this little guard on top. I think that's removable. Pretty sure you can remove it. Mine might be removed, possibly. Comes with 2 batteries. Now, here's the important thing about CC. If you don't already know, the batteries are also compatible with Makita. So if these batteries, for whatever reason, quit working, you ever want more batteries, you can get Makita 18-volt batteries and throw them on this. They fit, they work. It's a beautiful thing. So you don't have to worry about, and I don't see it happening anytime soon, but if CC stops selling and goes out of business or whatever, you can always still get your Makita batteries, slap it on here, and still have a usable tool. $33.99. Oh, man, they ruined my 50% thing. And so close! Couldn't throw in that extra 8%, huh? Going through July 5th, we're going to take 42% off. I think that brings it under $20. 2 batteries, chains. Really good for pruning. I like cutting up firewood with it. Get the big limbs off, falling off trees or pruning trees or whatever, and then get them over to the burn pile, cut them up into smaller pieces that actually kind of fit in the barrel, the hole in the ground, I guess. It's kind of a barrel. Now, I want to show you the Lowe's deal of the day. So if you're watching this on June 30th, this is 100% accurate right now. If you're watching it after the fact, these specific deals aren't available, but I'm going to link you to this page that I update every day with the latest Lowe's deal of the day, so you can at least see what the new day is. One thing, Lowe's has been, in one way, better than what Home Depot does. Home Depot does a special buy of the day, which they've turned into calling it daily deals now, but it can be all sorts of different things. The Lowe's deal of the day, every single day, includes at least some tools. Sometimes they sell out right away, and that's a little disappointing. They don't have as much stock, but at least every day you got a chance of finding a good deal on a tool. So I like to pick out my favorite ones and get them to you guys on this page. We have the Cobalt Air Fitting Kit. It's a 42-piece kit. You see a bunch of different fittings for your air tools. Normally $58 down to $28.99. You got your Sure Split Wedge by Estwing. Normally $24 down to $14.98. Again, if you are a silver or gold member at Lowe's, meaning you've spent at least $500 in the last year, then you get free shipping on any of this stuff. Otherwise, you can buy online, pick up in store, or add a little bit to the cost for shipping, unless you spend, I think it's $45. The Lennox Folding Box Cutter Utility Knife, normally $14 down to $8.98. The Klein Tools SDS Chisel Bit Set with handle. It's a 3-piece set. The last time this was on sale, it was really popular. You guys really liked this one. So normally $29.98 down to $19.98, taking $10 off of that. You got the handle with the striking cap, SDS, chisels, chisel and Craftsman, 12-piece variety pack screwdriver set. Normally $42.98 down to $20.98. Nice little array there. Looks like mostly probably Phillips and slotted. You get the stubbies. You get the little right angle guy, although I don't like that too much. I don't remember a time I've ever used that. Then we also have the magnetizer, demagnetizer, which you could use for other stuff as well, which is really cool. You just slip it through the hole, just slip it back and forth like you've done it before, and that'll magnetize the tip. Now, if you need to demagnetize it, you gotta scrape it on the sidewall. You know what I mean? You just give it a little scrapey on the sidewall, and that demagnetizes the tip on there. But that way you can turn any regular screwdriver into a magnetic screwdriver, which is nice. Similarly, we have the 5-piece variety pack. Little precision guys, a little smaller set, $15.98 down to $7.98, so under $10. Now these last two, there was more than this on sale, so both of these go to a search results page with a bunch of Craftsman gas-powered outdoor power equipment. I like these two the best. We had the 4-cycle, 17-inch straight shaft, not 2-cycle, 4-cycle gas trimmer, normally $249 down to $159. And then the chainsaw is 2-cycle, so we're going to be mixing oil on this one. The other one, we're just pouring straight gas. 46cc, 20-inch, normally $239 down to $159. So lots of gas-powered 4-cycle and 2-cycle power equipment if you go to either of these links here. Got a Nico 8-inch electronic digital caliper, extra large display, inches, fractions, millimeters. This is stainless steel. A couple of things to watch out for these. Sometimes they're only 6-inch. This is the larger 8-inch version. I think like the most popular one from Harbor Freight's a 6-incher. I would say 6-inch is more common. Some of the Amazon ones are made out of plastic, and maybe they work. Maybe they're perfectly fine. I don't feel great about buying a plastic one, so I do like we're getting stainless steel here, and you're getting the larger 8-inch. It's normally $33. It's going to be down to $22.05. It's just a sale price. There's no promo code or coupon. Of course, that means it can change at any time for any reason, but right now it's $22, and it's a pretty good deal on it. 14-piece impact socket adapter set, 1/4-inch, 3/8, 1/2-inch drive, quick release, magnetic. It does all the things. It's got everything here. By Go Tools. Got the handy dandy foam insert. You can slide that whole thing right into your toolbox drawer. Right angle, little bit holder guy. It's probably an adapter going from 1/4 or 3/8 over to a 1/4-inch hex, so you can put bits in there. The extensions, the adapters, both the longies and the stubbies. Got a lot going on here. Starts out at $29.99, 40% off. It's going to take about $12 off of that price. So is it $18 or so? So it's not going to go through August 31st. They can say that all they want, but it ain't doing it. So if you like that, you want to get on that. You don't want to put it in your back pocket for 2 months because you'll be disappointed. Craftsman pliers, got the electrical 6-inch diagonal cutting pliers. Nice little comfort grips on there. 6-inchers, only $6.98. See, Ace Hardware is $11 plus shipping. Acme Tools, $15 plus shipping. So, real good deal over on Amazon for those. Performance Tool, 3/8-inch drive ratcheting adapter, only $6.50. So if you don't know, you would put this on a breaker bar to make your breaker bar a ratchet, essentially. So it's a 3/8-inch female square on the bottom here. Throw that on the breaker bar, and then this gives your forward and reverse, and you now have a breaker bar that is also a ratchet. And it only costs you $6.50. Look at the comparables here. Napa, $18. Tools ID, $21. Summit, $23. Now, I checked this right before doing the video. It's a lightning deal, where they do the progress bar, where there's a limited quantity available. It's at about 60% sold right now. It doesn't tell you the quantity. That's kind of goofy with those lightning deals, because if the quantity is available only 5, one sells and it's 20% sold. But if it's 500, then that changes the math a little bit. So we don't know. Right now it's about 60%. Got a 6-pack of solar motion sensor lights for you. 151 LED super bright by Bonlion. $2 2 lighting modes, waterproof of course, because they are solar lights. Normally $39.99. Back to the 50% off. Love that. Supposed to go through the 6. Only going to be $20 for 6 of them. What's that, like $3 a piece? To compare, a smaller, less bright version at Harbor Freight is $12.99. Their single solar wall light is $12.99. Less LEDs, smaller physical size. Here for almost the same price. Almost, between friends. You're getting 6 instead of just 1. So there it is, guys. The latest amazing deals. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber, and all those links are in the description down below if you see anything that you can't live without. And I know you did, because there were some good ones in this video. Alright, thanks for watching.